Hey everybody, it's Neil. Welcome to the kitchen. Today I have this book. Check it out. It's like a gratitude journal. It says jumpstart your day with gratitude. But what's cool about it is, it's inexpensive, so it's a paperback. But you can see it's got things on there. It's got like a little, inspirational quote. But then it says, today I'm grateful for, what can I do to make today great? What are the best moments? And then you can keep going on with different days. With that, and basically it just repeats itself for all the different ones, different kind of inspirational quotes, not really religious quotes or anything like that, so it's good for everybody. So it's very cool. So nice little weighted journal, super quick and easy. Each one is like half a page, so it's not even a page, so it's just this stuff up here is for each day. So super cool, super easy. Got this for a gift, so hopefully she will like it. Birthday's tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.